Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how we can paint this beautiful star. It is very simple. It might look complicated but it is simple. So to make a star, what I have done, I have created two triangles in opposite direction, and I think this is easiest way to draw a star. Usually we have this kind of star. To get little symmetry with free hand, it is difficult, so I chose first approach to draw this particular star and then rub all the unwanted pencil mark. We just need outer line of the star, and let's start with the painting. So I'm using black color and I'm creating a bigger dot and then a smaller dot around it. So simply black color I'm choosing, and then just clean your brush and with the help of clean water drag color a little bit so that you can create some grayish kind of petal around your flower. So you can see it is very easy to paint a white flower in a white sheet in this particular approach, and I like it very much, and I have used these flower in many of my videos. Try to keep the petal shape little smaller and bigger so that you can get different perspectives. So I have created these two flowers for now, and then you can create some green element around the white flowers that you have. Because our sheet is also white, flower is also white, so to pop the white flower better, we need some green element in between the petal area and around the flower that we have. So I'm creating couple of one stroke leaves, little smaller, bigger, little bit tilted towards left and right. So perspective you can definitely choose. You can keep the leaf shape pointed, longer, smaller. So those things you can decide for your own, and simply create couple of leaves around it. Now we can see the flower better, as you can see. So we have almost covered the middle section of the star, and now I'm using blue color to create couple of more leaves just to get little contrast. So I like to paint leaves with blue color as well, so you can decide what kind of leaf you needed and you can create leaves around your flower. I'm creating one stroke leaf, which is very simple and easy to paint. I have created many videos explaining how we can create one stroke leaves and flower, so if you want you can refer to those videos as well. Now because it's time for Christmas, we should create some Christmas berries, so I am creating couple of berries around this particular structure in this particular star, having 5 to 6 berries in a single group. And as you can see, I have also kept fine negative space to get little shiny effect around the berry area. So I think that is something you can definitely try. If you're not comfortable keeping fine negative space or white space, you can use acrylic color as well to create some small portion with the white color to get some shiny effect around your berries. So I have created couple of groups like this, and then with the help of clean water you can create couple of more, so that you can try creating some front berries and some blurry berries, and make sure you're not hurting the star shape that we have. So try to do everything inside the star shape that you have. Now with the help of green color, create stem, connect all the berries together, and do it for all the groups that you have. Now because we have created berries, I think we should also create this kind of leaf, the holy leaf. So for this kind of leaf you don't have to do much. You just need to create some wavy pattern around the edge in opposite direction like this, and then fill in between area with the help of green color. I think this is the easiest way. Now I'm doing it roughly with very loose hand. I'm not going in the precision. I don't want to make it very realistic leaf and flower, so I'm doing it on a loose side for myself. So you can simply create some flower leaves and all, inside the star shape that you have. Now with the help of blue color, I am creating couple of more flower. So these are simple round flower having 5 to 6 petal into it. You can create only one flower, or you can create group of flower based on how much space you have and in which area you want to paint these flowers. So composition might look different when you paint it, but the agenda is simple. We need to fill the star shape with flowers and leaves and everything. So we are done with the blue flowers as well. I have used purple color to create the center part of the flower. Now I have mixed yellow color into the green to create yellowish greenish color, and I'm creating little longer leaf this time. And I'm also making sure we can see the star shape better. So keeping the edge of a star in my mind, I'm creating all these structure when it comes to the edge. So I'm not ruining the shape, as you can see, and I'm trying to pop this star shape better. So more and more element when I'm going to add into it, you will see the star shape better. So I have created multiple leaves with the help of green color, and now I think you can see the shape better. So you can do until you satisfied with your structure. You can try different combination, you can try different kind of element like flowers, leaf, smaller flower, bigger flower, whatever you like, but make sure you're able to see the star shape. So when it comes to the edge, keep in mind you need to create the shape of the leaf and flower as per the star shape that we have. Now we are almost done. I'm going to use yellow color to paint some more element and to fill the whole area and to make the star shape better. So I'm going in between wherever I have little space in between, and I'm creating these small yellow flowers. So for this yellow flower, I'm not doing anything fancy, just creating small rounded pattern to create or to make it look like these are yellow flowers. And I'm going around the star shape that we have, and I'm filling all the areas to get little precision over the star shape that we have. So keep adding these kind of element, and now I think you can see the star shape better. So keep filling it until you're satisfied with your structure. And I think I'm done. I'm satisfied with my painting for now. Now with the help of pen, this is size 0.2 needle pen, you can create a string. This is again optional. I want to make it look like hanging, so I'm using this particular string. So I'm creating multiple lines and little bit notes in between the line, and I'm doing it with the help of pen. You can definitely do it with the help of watercolor itself. And I'm creating a small bow into the string area. Now I'm also going around the edge of star shape, but I'm not creating any solid line, but dotted line is totally fine. So just creating a fine outline for the star, although it's not needed, but I'm doing it because anyways I'm going to use pen for flowers and leaves as well. So to make it little better, I'm using pen outlining as well. Now same thing I'm doing with the pen for the flowers and leaves as well. So I'm going through the outer line of the flowers and leaves. Now you can see the flowers and leaves in a better way, I think. So whenever it comes to the loose flowers and loose leaves, those kind of thing, I think this is the best way to make or to get little precision over your structure. Now you don't have to be very precise on outlining these structure. You can use different element, but you need to see the flowers and leaves better. So I think this is the great idea at the end, to do some outlining for the flowers and leaves. And I'm not doing it for all the flowers and leaves that we have, but majorly I'm using for main flowers, leaves, and maybe for berries as well. So it is optional. If you're comfortable doing this only with watercolor, that is also fine. If you are not satisfied and you want to make or you want to get little precision, you can definitely use pen at the end to create the structure better. And we are done. Hope you have liked it, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.